In this session, we are going to learn about the two important models of organizational buying behavior, that is Webster and Wynn model, and the second one is the Shade model. Okay, let us learn the first model, Webster and Wynn model of the organizational buying behavior. That is Webster and Wynn model. It is one of the most complex model. It is developed by Webster and Wynn. It is an attempt which has to explain the multifaceted nature of the organization buying behavior, and this behavior determines influences both the individual and group decision making process and on the final buying decision. And this model, it consists of different variables which explains the factors which influences your buying decision behavior for your organization. The Webster and Wynn model of organization buying behavior, it is usually a quite comprehensive model. It considers four sets of variables, that is environmental, organizational, buying center and individual, which are all affects the buying decision making process in a firm. Those factors are, first factor is environmental variable or an environmental influences. It includes all the physical, technological, economic, political, legal and cultural. These factors or influences are exported through suppliers, customers, government, trade unions, etc. And some of these factors are uncontrollable. And the second variable or an influences is an organizational variable. It includes your organizational climate and your organizational culture and the buying center, that is the structure of your organization and your buying task. Buying task is represents which stage you're whether you're in a modified stage or to buy, whether the company is on the which stage of buying. Based on these factor or based on these factors or variable, you will decide your buying behavior of the organization. And the next factor is buying center influences or the buying center variable. There are so many buying centers like user, buyers, influencers and the decider and also the gatekeepers. Not only that, and also your interaction with the people and your role and also your expectation of the company and also the relationships with the supplier and what kind of the relationship you're making and your process and the leadership skills and also the structure of the management, and also it decides your buying decision. The next factor is buying decision. In buying decision, two types of decision making process we have. Either the company owner makes individual decision or what product shall I buy or what raw materials shall I buy to prepare a product, or he will take consideration of a group of people. Based on these factors also the buying behavior can be counts. And the next model is the Shade model. The Shade model is developed by the Professor Jagadish N. Sheth in 1973, and this model emphasizes on the joint decision making by two or more individuals and also some of the psychological aspects of the decision making by individuals which influences the business buying behavior of the organization. It includes three components and situational factor, which determines the choice of the supplier or a brand in the buying decision making process in an organization of the company. Some of the Shade model factors. The first one is the factor that inform individual perception, like your past purchase satisfaction and your information about the suppliers or information about any kind of the product and the background of the raw materials or the suppliers who supply the raw materials and some of the active information that you can search or active search related to the buying. These are the factors which can influence the organizational buying. And the second one is the factor that determine the number of individuals are involved. It all tells about what was the time pressure and what type of the purchase is getting into in, and the risk that is related or associated within this purchase, whether the product or raw materials that you are ordered that reaches you on the on time to produce an ultimate final product. And the next factor is the company factor. Under the company factor, it says about the organization orientation, like organization visionary and missionary, and the size of the organization, and whether the organization running the small size of the business, or whether it's running the medium size of the business, or whether it's running the large scale of the business, and how far the centralization is extended, or having the different branches, so many things that you have to go. All these factors influences the buying decision process. And the next one is conflict resolution method engaged on by the participants. If you get into any conflict, how you engaging with that, whether you are into in a problem solving technique, or you into bargaining, or you're into a politically solving that problem, how the company is supported by this. So based on this also an organization behavior can happen. And the next factor is supplier whom you have chosen, and the brand of the raw material which you are using for organization to produce the final product, because the feedback and the satisfaction of the customer who uses the final product are very much important, because the satisfaction of the customer whom you use the final product, which we can easily produce the ultimate final product. And the next factor is the situational factor. How is the cash flow of the company, and also how is the tax provisions given by the government to the business or an organization to produce an ultimate final product of the organization, and how is the industrial relations and also the breakdowns. All these factors influences the organizational buying behavioral process of the company. To conclude this, an understanding of the interpersonal relationships in the buying organization, it is one of the most quite comprehensive, and it also an attempt of significant sources for the development of marketing strategy to produce an ultimate product. It makes a good decision by taking the these two models. These two models are like Webster and Wind model. These two models are developed by when the Webster and Wind model was developed by the F.E. Webster and Y. Wind, and the Sheth model. The Sheth model was developed by Jagadish N. Sheth in 1973. These two models are gives a very good description of decision making that is made jointly or to partly of making the good decisions between the individual in the buying centers. And these two models are like very much important to take the decisions of the organization. It is very helpful for taking the final buying decision, and these two models are consist of so many different variables which explains the factors which influences your buying decision behavior for the organization.